Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. Yeah, oo. So, ito ang kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po, no? Pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item for protection po, for protection mula sa evil eye. Okay? And kay love bracelet, kay granter, and doon sa new item natin for cord cutting. Okay? And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, just message na lang po sa kanya pong FB page for more info. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? So, ganun lamang. And again, paalala ko lang sa mga merong sa mga may schedule, no, ng reading. Okay, yung parating pa lang, avoid deactivating your FB account. Okay? Kasi mahihirapan kami na i-send yung link. Okay? Kasi hindi po kami makakapag-reply kung ang inyong FB is naka-deactivate. Okay? I don't know why. I'm not using Messenger. Ibang application yung ginagamit namin na pang message, na pang reply sa inyo. Okay, so sumunod na lang tayo. Ayoko na lang din. Di ba, hassle? Okay, kung hindi naman kaya na hindi mag-deactivate, tandaan ang schedule, tandaan ang ibinigay na schedule ni admin kung kailan i-release yung reading, then tsaka kayo mag-reactivate. Okay, the day. Okay? Doon sa schedule, doon kayo mag-reactivate kung hindi nyo kaya hindi mag-deact. Okay? So, malinaw po, And anyway, bago naman tayo gawa ng transaction, nandun naman lahat Okay? Nakasulat naman doon. Kasi yung iba hindi nababasa actually. Hindi nababasa. Ang mangyayari, magdi-deact siya. Okay? And then, sa araw ng kanyang schedule ng reading, magme-message. Nasaan na po yung aking nakikita ko yun, nasisin ko yun, pero hindi kami makakapag-reply. Okay? Para kaming naka-block. So, sana maliwanag yun. Avoid deactivating your account. Please. Ayaw natin ng hassle. Okay? So, ating umpisahan na yung reading. Okay. So, magamit tayo ng Oracle. Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Okay. Some of you nakakuha ko ng cross-watcher, Cross-watcher. Okay. So, Capricorn, ito yung specific na kung anong meron sa looks. Okay. So, pwedeng hindi ka makaresonate dito. Okay. Kasi dagdag lang naman to. Tingnan natin. Ano bang meron sa looks ni person? Physical looks. Para malaman mong siya nga yung ating babasahin. Maya. Tingnan natin. Okay. Light skin. Okay. So, pwedeng may kaputian si person. Okay. Average build. Okay. So, pwedeng katamtaman lang. No? Yung laki ng katawan. Mga ganyan. Some of them, nakikita ko nag-gym. Because of the, physique ng person sa picture. Okay. What else? Black hair. Okay. So, 'di ba? Napaka-specific ng mga energy. What else? Ano pang meron sa looks ng person ng mga Capricorn? So, pwedeng yung light skin lang ang makuha mo. Parang gano'n, no? Hindi mo kukunin lahat, Pero kung makukuha mo lahat, edi good. O, 'di ba? Let's see. What else? O, 'di ba? Dark skin. Light skin, dark skin. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw is light skin, yung person mo is dark, or vice versa. O vice versa. Or baliktad, no? Diba? Okay, so dark skin. Yeah, what else? Powerful. Oh, some of you, itong person mo is pwedeng sabihin nating may pera, merong K, okay? Yeah, mga pababae, mga palalaki, kung naman ang gender niya. So, there's this energy na pwedeng itong person na to is meron siyang, sabihin nating kakayanan in general. Okay? So, yeah. Some of them nakukuha ko, sabihin nating nasa marangya, nakatayuan, some of them. Okay? So, kunin mo lang, ha, kung ganun nga yung person. Kung alam mong hindi naman siya ganun, then huwag mo i-claim, okay? Bald. Okay. So, pwedeng walang hair, diba? So, diba may black hair, tapos may bald, ano yung inyo doon? Let's see, what else? Para sa person mo, Capricorn. Anong meron? Okay. Skinny. Kung hindi average build, pwedeng skinny. May kapayatan. Okay, what else? Last. Okay, looks ng person ng mga Capricorn, facial hair. So, pwede may bigote, may balbas, mapababae. Syempre, lalaki lang, no? Anyway, di ba? Oo naman, iba sa ate, no? Kapag balbon, ganyan. Di ba? Minsan, may mga maliliit lang, minimal. Pagdating sa mukha, no? Facial hairs. Okay. So, mole. Some of you, may mole yung person mo. Okay. Meron ako nakikita rito. Some of them pwedeng curly yung hair, or pwedeng may plano magpakulot, mga ganyan. And there's this piercing. Okay, meron siyang piercing doon sa kanyang nose. Okay, may hikaw. Yan, okay. So, I don't know. May chance na yung person mo is may ganyan, piercing, or nagbabalak. Mga ganang bagay ba. Anyway, okay, so, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa looks ng person, okay, ninyo. So, tayo itumungo na sa tarot. Okay. Ganun lang. So, kunin nyo lang po, ha, kung ano sa tingin ninyo yung inyo. Okay. So, Capricorn, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ano bang meron pagdating sa person mo? Paano natin malalaman na ito talaga yung person mo nung meron sa kanya? Okay, the Empress. Yeah. Some of them, they're beautiful. Beautiful, handsome, Empress, Emperor. Okay. Some of them, they have kids or child. What's with this Empress? Okay, some of you, 'di ba, yung energy niya kanina is powerful. 'Di ba? Powerful. Meron akong channeled message. Some of them, marunong silang manamit, marunong silang sabihin nating alam mo na nandun yung karangyaan. Okay, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? What's with this Empress? What's with this Empress? Napaka matulungin, or sabihin natin napaka generous ng taong to. The Hermit. Some of them, they're like a single mother, single father. May pagkaano to, some of them, they're beautiful, they're handsome, pero they're like a loner. The Hermit is here. They're like a loner. Okay, some of them, the Chariot is here. They're into business, pwedeng cars, something like that. Okay, cars, they like cars, maybe. A bookworm. May narinig ako, bookworm, someone who likes to read a lot of book. books. Parang mga ganyan. Hobby niya ay magbasa. Somebody is intelligent maybe. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng Virgo. Ang lakas ng Virgo placements dito. Virgo, we have here Taurus and Libra. Okay? And Cancer. So, anong meron sa sitwasyon ninyo? Some of you, this person is, always gets a lot of attention, pero hindi niya pinapansin. Nandun yung parang may pagkasuplada ng tao. Anyway, marunong sila kahit sila lang. Kung single parent, marunong siya kahit siya lang. Okay? So, tingnan natin, ano bang situation ninyo ng taong to, Capricorn? The Seven of Swords. Oh, what's hidden here? There's these secrets. What's with this Seven of Swords? The Five of Wands. What? Oh, the Queen of Cups. I think, Capricorn, may energy rito na pwedeng sa situation, there's this drama. I think, you're attracted. Okay, or maybe this person is attracted. Somebody is attracted. Or maybe both of you is attracted sa isa't isa. Tagulang, the Seven of Swords. Why? Because of the drama. Maybe the Five of Wands. What's this Five of Wands? Somebody is in love. Okay, or talaga namang anyway, parang nafo-fall. Okay, meron ditong nafo-fall, pero tago. Meron ditong loner. What's with this Five of Wands? Some of them, tinatago nila yung kagustuhan nila pagdating sa'yo dahil kailangan to avoid drama. Okay, to avoid drama. Yeah, see the strength. Okay, so meron ditong pagtatago or pagpipigil sa sitwasyon. Okay, somebody is acting cold, distant. Okay, silent. We have here Leo. Okay, so ano bang emosyon talaga ng taong to for you, Capricorn? What's their true emotion? Like deep down. O, diba? Oo. Hahalukayin natin. Ano bang totoong emosyon nito for you, Capricorn? The Queen of Swords. Detached, cold, distant, silent. Why? Why the Queen of Swords? Some of them, andun yung energy na nandun yung parang eagerness. I don't know why. And nandun din yung parang galit. I don't know. What's with this Queen of Swords? The Queen of Wands. What? The Ten of Cups. The Emperor? Yeah. The Emperor. Okay, so emotion, this person is attracted sa'yo. Sa totoo lang, big time. Okay? Pero they're just like, sabihin natin, ang pinapakita nito is cold, distant. Parang walang pakialam sa'yo. Pero, yeah, they're into you. Okay? Gustong-gusto ka nitong taong to, ina-avoid lang niya na mag-express siguro. Some of them, yeah, they see you as their counterpart. The Emperor. We have here the Empress. They see you as their counterpart. Like, yeah. Diba? They're yin to their yang. Ganon. Okay? This person admires you. They're admiring you. Pero parang pinapakita nitong taong to na sobrang wala silang pakialam. Okay? They're being sneaky. Yeah. Tinitingnan ka nito. Pinagmamasdan. Pinapanood. Ni-stalk. Yeah. Anyway. Ano ba ang energy niya ngayon, Capricorn? Some of you may pagka-feminine itong taong to, kahit lalaki siya. Some of you. Okay, kung lalaki itong nasa isip mo ngayon, may pagka-feminine siya, like may pagka-soft side. Okay? May soft side itong taong to. There's a lot of queens here. A lot. Okay, ano ba ang energy ni person mo na iniisip ngayon, Capricorn? Anong energy niya? The Tower. What? What the Tower? The Six of Pentacles. They're afraid, I think. Afraid. Yeah, another queen. They're afraid na hindi ma-appreciate maybe. May takot itong taong to sa sabihin nating ma-reject. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Two of Swords. May pagka-hermit. May loner itong taong to. So, it's like, yung pag-express ng emotion is napakahirap for them. It's like, hindi ko to nakasanayan. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Parang ganun. Anyway, hang on. Okay, so, nasa na ba ang ating kwentuhan, no, diba? So, yun ang energy niya. Okay. Takot rin to sa tawag dyan, abandonment issue, like that. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ang kanyang next action towards you, Capricorn? Anong next action ng taong to, Capricorn, pagdating sa iyo? The Nine of Swords. What? May takot to? May takot ba sa'yo? I don't know. Thinking, a lot of thinking, day and night. Maybe some of them di na makatulog ng maganda, kakaisip sa'yo. Okay, by the Nine of Swords. Next action is the Nine of Swords. What? The Emperor. Oh! Oh! Gusto ka nito, Capricorn. Gusto ka niya. Nandun yung takot lang talaga ng taong to. The Three of Swords, the Eight of Wands in reverse, the Three of Cups. Some of you, nasa maliit na circle lang kayo ng taong to. Nasa isang environment or meron kayong mutual friends ng taong to. Okay? The communication is not good. Okay? Maybe there's no to little communication na meron sa inyo. Okay? Kung ganun man, ayaw niya ng ganun. Okay? Parang nalulungkot siya. Parang ganyan, nalulungkot siya kung di kayo nagkakausap or nagkikita, if ever. Mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Three of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Minsan itong taong to, ang tawag dyan, parang nagde-daydream kung minsan na makikita ko ba uli si Capricorn or makakasama ko ba siya ulit or whatsoever. Parang ganyan. Okay? We have here a pair. Oo. The Empress, the Emperor. I think this is like a strong connection. Some of you po, yung energy ng taong ito, kung mapapansin niyo is parang walang pakialam. Sa totoo lang, sila yung may mas. Okay? Kung ano naramdaman mo yung ganito, pagdating sa kanya, yung kanya, ganyan, malaki. Okay? Hindi lang siya nagpapahalata. Yeah, they're the Emperor. Yeah. Hindi nagpapakita ng weakness ang Emperor. Okay? Standing on their ground. Guarded. Strong. Yeah. Hindi nagpapakita ng emosyon, I think. The Queen of Swords. Yeah. Okay. See? The Four of Wands. Oh, this is a strong connection, Capricorn. This person sees you na pwedeng makasama ka. Parang ganyan. Okay, some of you, this is yung sinasabing divine feminine, divine masculine, like that. Twin flame for some of you. Soul connection or soul ang tawag dyan. Recognition, like that. Okay? This is deep. This is deep. Hindi kayo nag-uusap ng taong to. Pero you're always in their mind. You're renting, you're living in their mind. Rent-free. Rent-free. The Eight of Swords. They're stuck. Okay? Always thinking of you. Okay? So, wala silang gagawin. Wala. Parang papakita nito, hindi ako naapektuhan sa kung ano man ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Like that. Pero deep down, apektado itong taong to. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ang outcome / advice for you, Capricorn? Anong outcome? Tingnan natin. Outcome nyo ng taong to. Ten of Swords. Sheesh. Okay. 9 to 10. Ten of Swords. Why? Why the Ten of Swords? Nagbibilang 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10 of Swords. Let's see. Why the Ten of Swords? Pagdating sa outcome. The Two of Cups. Universe. Yeah. I'm seeing here sabotaging. Okay? Sabotaging. Itong connection na to. The Page of Wands. Universe. Somebody. Pwedeng isa sa inyo is younger. Or maybe your person is younger. That is why they can't act mature. They can't say kung anong kailangang sabihin. Like that. Pero they feel the strong connection with you. Okay? Some of them, they're not ready. They're not, tawag dyan? Stable pa or, yeah, in general, hindi pa sila ready. Okay? The Two of Cups is here. Sabotaging a strong connection. Okay? This is sabihin nating energy rin ng healing because of the Ten of Swords. This is talking about healing pagdating sa kung ano mang meron sa past life ninyo. Okay? Anyway, yeah, see the Star in reverse, 'di ba? Meron ditong kailangan talagang i-heal. Okay? Some of you, ito yung sabihin nating legit. Okay? For me, na merong connection like past life connection or twin flame or soulmate, like that. Pero I think this is like an energy na pwedeng nagtagpo na kayo ng taong to sa past life pero hindi naging successful before. Sa ngayon, ganun rin. Yeah. Pwedeng nagkita kayo nito, nag-connect kayo nito, pero hindi pwede ulit. Okay? Like that. Okay? So, pwede kasing isa sa inyo is mas matanda or may mga responsibilidad na. Itong taong to naman is younger. Sabihin nating parang may tawag dyan, wala pa silang trabaho or something like bata pa talaga, teenager, something like that. Okay? Something na pwedeng hindi sumasang-ayon or umaayon pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko. Yeah. Healing ang kailangan rin dito. Ay, nako. This is a strong connection. Yan, the Queen of Cups in reverse, the Knight of Swords, a lot of queens. Yeah, past life connection, the Six of Cups in reverse, the Nine of Cups. This is an energy of ang tawag dyan, wish fulfillment pero hindi makuha, no? Parang ganyan. So, andyan yung unfulfilled dreams, unfulfilled wish pagdating sa connection nyo na to. Hindi pa kayo, I think, hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng romantic connection. I think this is just like a platonic connection, platonic, no? Or sabihin natin magkaibigan lang kayo talaga ng taong to, or sabihin natin nasa isang circle lang kayo ng friends, something like that. Okay? Wala akong nakikita kasing connection eh. Like, hindi ko alam kung nagkakatingin lang kayo nito, nakakaramdam ka lang ng something, pagdating sa taong to, ganun din siya sa'yo. Okay? Ayun ang nakuha kong energy dito, Capricorn. Kahit simpleng pakikipag-usap sa taong to, some of you, sa totoo lang, wala akong nakita. Yeah. Okay, pero yes, ramdam nyo yung strong connection. Yeah. Sino naka-resonate? Say yes. Say present. Anyway, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. This is the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. So there's this inconsistency from this person. Okay. A little to no communication. Okay, so Taurus, they like you. Okay, they like you. They're being passionate pagdating sa'yo. They're admiring you. They want you physically, maybe. Okay, Gemini, they like you too. They like you. Anyway, some of them, they're into their business, career, pero they like you. Same as Taurus. Cancer, they're afraid. Some of them, they're thinking of you day and night. They're just like, pwedeng nag-iiyak to minsan, no? Nag-iiyak, parang inaabot na ng umaga, kakaiyak pagdating sa'yo. Nandun rin yung takot. Something like, pwedeng yung takot niya is related sa finance or sa stability niya. Okay? So that is why. Leo, they like you. They want to have sex with you. Yeah. Virgo, okay. They want commitments. Some of you may chance na magkaroon ng long-term relationship with a Virgo. Libra, they're being secretive. Okay. Scorpio, strong connection pagdating sa soul. Okay. They miss you, some of you. They miss you a lot. They've been crying day and night, maybe thinking of you. Sagittarius, they can, sabihin natin, they can't have a relationship with you. Okay? Sabihin natin pwedeng may mangyaring separation with a Sagittarius. Capricorn, okay? They want a happy ever after with you. Okay? Some of you, they're feeling happy and content. Yan. Okay? Feeling of contentment. Yan. Aquarius, they've been juggling. They're a juggler, some of you. They don't know kung anong uunahin. Pisces, feeling nila, dinadrop mo na sila. Okay, some of them, pwedeng sila yung nagdadrop sa'yo. This is like an energy of surrendering. Okay, some of you, you have to surrender this Pisces or the situation with the Pisces. Okay, so, yeah. Yun na nakuha ko. Pagdating sa inyo, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.